Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening your Figma project and picking the exact frame for the video. You should copy the YouTube share or full embed link now so it's ready. Next, install a Figma plugin that supports video embeds. Video or Figmotion are common choices. Once done, run the plugin and choose the frame. This first move connects Figma to the online source. Make sure to keep the video link handy, because you'll paste it directly into the plugin or embed field to initiate the process. You paste the YouTube URL into the plugin or the embed widget and confirm. This creates a live video layer. Then you resize and position it using Figma's layout and constraints. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 to avoid distortion. If the plugin offers options, toggle autoplay, loop, or visible controls as required. Make sure to test playback inside the plugin preview. Once adjusted, group the video with surrounding components so it scales responsively when the frame size. You finish by previewing the frame or launching the prototype to confirm playback, controls, and sizing. If everything looks correct, share the prototype link or export your mockup. Remember that embedded video requires internet access and may not export as a local asset. If playback fails, first recheck the YouTube URL and plugin permissions, then ensure cores or network blocking isn't preventing the stream. If needed, reinstall the plugin or try an alternate embed method and test again immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.